Did a little work towards the tower today. That tree right there, which was dead or dying, had to come down because that was danger close to the tower, and it was dropping limbs. As you can see, some of it broke when it hit the ground. This one here, somebody hit. Knocked all the bark off of it. I just took it out of the way. Dropped a spruce over there, a couple dead trees over there. But the tower is going to be up there, and it's going to lay down this way. My receiving tower is going to go on the other end of the property, and those trees, when I rent the excavator, I can knock those down with the excavator, but clearing all the trees out of the way for the project. So my goal has been this summer, every weekend, to do a little bit towards the tower project. So step 2, or whatever step I'm on, is now rent the excavator, but I got to wait for the weather to dry out, start digging holes. That's the next thing that's got to be done. So I was working on today. Well, I'm done for the day. There's the brush pile. All the wood is cut up. That'll just get burnt in the wood stove. That's another day. It's just starting to drizzle, so this area is all set now. I can put the tower in. I mean, there's going to be trees here, but they're all healthy trees. So we'll just, you could spend all day clearing trees. But anyways, here's what we were working on today. So next is getting the excavator out here, start digging holes. When I have it, you can't really see it, but back there I'm going to pop that stump out right in the middle of the camera there. I'm going to pop that stump out. But as you can see here, it's just starting to drizzle. Little raindrops, so I'm going to shut her down, go inside, maybe play a little radio.